If you only had one day to experience Chicago, where would you go? Better yet, what if you could discover the city's iconic landmarks, taste its legendary food, and uncover its fascinating history, all in a single unforgettable tour? Chicago is one of America's greatest cities. It's famous for its soaring skyscrapers, rich history, incredible food, and welcoming Midwestern spirit. But if you're visiting for just a day, deciding what to see can be a challenge. I'm Keto from Keto.com, and today we're exploring one of Viator's highest-rated experiences, the Chicago in a Day, Food, History, and Architecture Walking Tour. This small group experience lasts around 4.5 hours and combines everything that makes Chicago special into one easy-paced adventure. With groups limited to around 12 people, it feels more like exploring with a knowledgeable local friend than following a large tour group. Your journey begins beneath the famous marquee of the historic Chicago Theater, one of the city's most photographed landmarks. From there, you'll head underground into the fascinating Chicago Pedway before emerging to discover the incredible architecture lining the Chicago River. As your guide shares stories about the Great Chicago Fire, Prohibition, and the city's remarkable transformation, you'll quickly understand why architecture lovers from around the world come here. But this tour isn't just about beautiful buildings. It's also a celebration of Chicago's world-famous food. Along the way, you'll enjoy generous tastings of local favorites, including authentic deep-dish pizza, the iconic Chicago-style hot dog, Italian beef, and other classic bites that together make up a satisfying lunch. If you've never tasted a real Chicago hot dog or an authentic slice of deep-dish pizza, this tour gives you the perfect introduction. One thing travelers consistently praise is the enthusiasm and knowledge of the guides. Many reviews mention how the storytelling brings Chicago's history to life, while others say the combination of food, architecture, and local culture makes this one of the best walking tours they've ever taken. Several visitors even describe it as the highlight of their trip to Chicago. You'll also stroll along the beautiful Chicago Riverwalk, admire architectural icons like the Wrigley Building and Tribune Tower, and visit Millennium Park, where you'll finally come face-to-face with Cloud Gate, better known around the world as the Bean. Don't forget your camera, because this is one of Chicago's most photographed attractions. The walking pace is relaxed with regular stops, making it suitable for most fitness levels. It's family-friendly too, with children welcome, and the tour runs rain or shine, so comfortable shoes and weather-appropriate clothing are always a good idea. If you're staying in Chicago for another day or two, I'd definitely recommend adding an architecture river cruise, visiting the sky deck at Willis Tower, or exploring Navy Pier. Locals and frequent visitors regularly recommend the architecture boat tours as one of the city's absolute must-do experiences. So whether you're visiting Chicago for the very first time or simply want to experience the city's greatest highlights without spending days planning your itinerary, this tour delivers an unforgettable combination of history, architecture, and fantastic local food. For more amazing tours, travel inspiration, and destination guides from around the world, visit askketo.com before planning your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next city.